Hey, how are you? This is my first video on this channel HimaliCoder, and today we'll be building a contact form. Before moving ahead, I would like to introduce with the problem and statement. Here, I am building this contact form, and in this contact form, here is the image of the country, and we need to enter the phone number. And in order to achieve this, I have found an package react phone input 2 from the weekly downloads. You can see that it's one of the very popular package for the um, phone number that help us to identify the country along with the country code and the phone number, and from there we can install this package. I have already installed on my package and I have built this UI design, and I have almost all the things that are necessary for the prototype, like first name, last name, email, and then text area for the message box. And here for the phone number, let me show you the package that I have installed. It's the react phone input 2. You can install the package by using the npm install, and then you can input two things, that are the import phone input and the css. You can find over here on the users section. You need to install import those two packages, and then here I have designed some of the input style, container style, and the button style for its normal design scenario. But now we will move ahead on building this functionality, phone number functionality. Before this, here look at the section that in form data I have designed a form data or the state. On that it has first name, last name, email, phone number, and message, and all the other things can be achieved through the this form data. And I'll be getting that on handle change. Here on handle change I'll be getting that, and it will be stored on the variable like first name, last name, email, and message. But about the phone number, it's too tough, and I find out the solution. So let's get started on this. So before moving ahead, I like to track, or I like to design on change function, and on the onsense we will be getting a value, and that value will be stored on one of the state variable. Let's build that state variable. So state variable will be const let's say phone, set phone, and initially it will be false, sorry, string. So and whenever we receive the value, where whenever we receive the value, will be store it on the set font. Now um, if we console the value over here, uh, font here, yeah, we are getting the value on the console, but I need to add this phone number on my form data, that is in this variable. I need to add this value on my phone number. So in order to achieve that, when I submit the form on handle submit, I will be writing a condition here, set form data, and I will be reaching all the value that are initial value, and also I will add the new value, that is phone number, because we have made it as a phone number, or we are include, and we need to add the variable that phone is stored in it, so that is phone. So let's do that. So here we are retrieving all the initial value like first name, last name, and message and email, and then we are adding the phone number. So when we console the value of form data, we need to get the phone number. So let's console log that. So it's, and drag this is this, and the message, let's say it hello world. And when I, first of all, you can check here in the phone number we are getting null or empty string, empty string. But when I submit this form, or when I submit this form, I need to get that value, because we are adding the phone number when we submit the data. So let's publish or submit, and then you can check here we are getting the value phone number over here, those value we are, which we stored on the phone number section. And that's it. We can achieve this functionality by using this phone input package, and that's it.